The default GNOME desktop is a little bare, especially if you're coming from a Windows world. You'd be expecting to see icons for My Computer and Network and maybe Trash down here on the desktop. So we're going to try and add some of that stuff to Ubuntu. Now I'm going to cheat a little here and use Ubuntu Tweak. It's a third-party tool, not in the repositories, not part of the standard Ubuntu install, but just Google Ubuntu Tweak and you'll find it straight away. So I've got Ubuntu Tweak running here. Click on Desktop and I'll just turn on the icons for Computer, Home Folder and Trash. I'm going to put the trash, the garbage down here where I'm used to having it. Now I don't much care for the icons in Ubuntu, all the general style, theme, reddish brown, orange, so I'm going to change it. If I just right click on the desktop and pick Change Desktop Background, you see I've got an orange sort of menu title bar along here. Switch to theme and you can see the default theme is called Human. That's one of the human ones are the reddish brown ones. I'm going to switch one called Clear Looks up the top here. Let's have another go at that. Yeah, and you can see that it's switched to a sort of more blue title bar and the icons have changed, and I just think they're a bit nicer. Now the icons are still a bit on the large size for my taste, so we're going to change that. We do that by running Nautilus, which is the default computer file browser. Comes up whenever you double click on a folder in Ubuntu or GNOME. Once that's up, click on Edit Preferences and change these two settings, Icon View Defaults, Compact View Defaults, from 100% down to 66%. And you can see that the icons on the desktop have shrunk down to a more manageable size. In that sense you can think of Nautilus being to GNOME as Windows Explorer is to Windows. I mean, it has, you change your preferences and it has effects on the desktop. That's the icons. I still think the text in Ubuntu is too large by default, so let's change that. We're going to go right click, change desktop background again to get the appearance preferences up, and the fonts are under its own tab. You can see they're all set to 10 point. You need to drop them down to 9 at least. I'm going to go to 8. All depends on how good your eyes are. Drop that one down to 8. The other change you should make at this point, if you've got an LCD screen, which let's face it, nearly everyone does these days, click on Subpixel Smoothing LCDs and it will smooth out your fonts a bit. Final change I'm going to make, if you look again at Nautilus, we've got a very big toolbar with text underneath. I think that's wasteful on screen space, so I'm going to change that. Go back, right click, change desktop background. I'm going to go back to the appearance preferences dialog, click on interface this time and switch text below icons to just icons only, because if you've got icons, what do you need text for?